So contractor will kill your deal and property management will kill your deal. And if you get a property management, you really need to be checking, you want one that does have a portal that you can check online all the time, because you want to see what's going on if you're getting rents. And if you're not getting rents, send an email. Hey, what's going on? They haven't paid. What have you done? That way they know that you're checking. So they're going to make sure that they're stay on top of your houses. If you let it go for more than a month, who knows? And there's regulations you can put on your contract. You can approve to XYZ amount. That way they're not calling you when they have to spend $25. Over that amount, I need to approve it first. Because then that way you got the option of whether you want to call a handyman off Craigslist to go do it. And this is how you avoid, you don't get stuck using the property manager himself as maintenance guy or her husband.